RTA cabinets are a popular choice for many homeowners due to their cost savings and ease of ordering and installation. If your RTA cabinets are structurally sound but outdated or plain, is painting them a good move or a hidden mistake? Painting or refinishing is much cheaper than replacing cabinets completely. You can choose any color or finish, updating style without changing the structure. Painting offers a faster turnaround and less disruption than a full remodel. Repainting reduces waste since you keep existing cabinetry instead of discarding. Before you decide to paint, check the cabinet condition. Painting only makes sense if cabinets are structurally sound, no warping, water damage, or broken hardware. Some RTA cabinets use materials that don't accept paint well. Good paint jobs require sanding, cleaning, and possibly priming. Painted cabinets typically don't last as long as new cabinetry. If you're on a tight budget or want a quick refresh, painting may make sense. If cabinet structure is good and you just want a style update, painting is likely worthwhile. If cabinets are damaged or made of low-quality material, consider replacing them instead. Use quality paint for durability. Proper prep is essential. Clean, sand, and prime if needed. Choose finish type wisely. Semi-gloss or satin may hold up better than flat paint in kitchens. Painting RTA cabinets can be a smart, budget-friendly way to refresh your kitchen if done correctly. If you want a long-lasting premium result, consider upgrading the cabinets instead. Evaluate your cabinet condition, weigh costs versus benefits, and don't skimp on prep.